Good afternoon. My name is Jatin, and on the account of Teachers Day, we used to be रीति रिवाज के अनुसार टीचर्स की जगह स्टूडेंट्स लेते हैं और स्टूडेंट्स टीचिंग करते हैं. So today's my topic is periodic classification of elements. Yesterday I spent my 1 hour to make this PPT, so please listen it carefully. Why do we need elements? क्यों जरूरत? we need elements because elements are the most means in reaction we have to perform some basic hazardous things that we should not get affected by while doing it. So till 1800 only there were 31 elements were discovered. So and that 31 elements will need to be classified in a specific way so that we can arrange them and we can perform reaction on the basis of that classification. So at time till 18 to 1900 century till 31 and then 63 elements were discovered, and later on there are 118 elements were discovered, and further on there are more discoveries are going on. So first classification was done by Johannes Dormenier. फर्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन वॉज डन बाय जॉर्ज डॉर्मेनियर. ये जो साइंटिस्ट है इसने एक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वेंशन की थी एक्सेंट्रिक हीट स्ट्रेट्स, एंड दैट इन्वेंशन वॉज द लाइटर, एंड दैट लाइटर मीन्स एट दैट एज दैट लाइटर वॉज कॉल्ड एज डॉर्मेनियर्स लैम्प. At 18 to 19th century, people used to smoke cigars instead of cigarette. So for burning the cigars, we need a big bonfire, or which was not available, or we can't do it by making a big flame. So people used to light the cigars with the help of the shotguns. This is the shotgun. This is the shotgun barrel, and for burning the cigar, they used to a clip here, which was placed here, and then in that clip there was a igniting flame. For igniting that flame, people used to take a paper and put the gunpowder inside it and fire it. Of course, there was no bullet inside it. And then people used to then after firing the shot, they used to the spark, and people used to take that spark to lighting the cigar. But it was too dangerous. We can't perform it regularly. So what Daubigny do? He invented the Daubigny's lamp, which we call today as the cigar lighter. But at that time the fuel was the carbon powder, and in that carbon powder there was a use of platinum, and which was very expensive, so people can't afford it. So that was the first invention of Daubigny, and later on he also further studied the in 1829 he classified the Daubigny state. He made the group of three elements, in which elements were placed as increasing atomic masses, and he named he grouped the elements in increasing atomic masses, and in which he told that if we take the first and third elements average, and we get the atomic mass of middle one. There was a book I made. Later on, there was another scientist named Newland. He was very fond of music. He was a great composer also. So later on he studied the atomic masses and elements, and he termed that every eight element properties are similar to the first one element. So he placed the element in a जैसे 8 सुर होते हैं तो उसने वैसे अरेंज किया, और उसमें से फर्स्ट और 8 एलिमेंट है इसके प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर होने के कारण इसने 8 एलिमेंट्स के अनुसार, सुरों के अनुसार इसने इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास के एलिमेंट्स अरेंज किए, लेकिन ये कुछ एलिमेंट्स के तक ही सीमित थे। इसके आगे जो एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर हो रहे थे वो मैच नहीं कर रहे थे ये प्रॉपर्टी के। फिर आते हैं मेंडेलीव ने भी उनका पीरियोडिक टेबल इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस के अनुसार लगाया, और मेंडेलीव के at the age of Mendeleev there are more elements were discovered, but still there was some problem in periodic table. Some elements are not satisfy the conditions which we used to be. So Mendeleev proposed the law. The properties of the elements are in periodic function atomic weights. Mendeleev arranged the elements in horizontal line. Till Newland, elements were arranged in serial wise, means there was no specification that it is a row, column, period. So he proposed the periods and vertical means vertical columns and horizontal rows, which were called as periods and column groups. मेंडेलीव ने सब अच्छा तो किया, लेकिन कुछ एलिमेंट्स के वो टर्म नहीं हो रहे थे, जैसे कोबाल्ट और निकल की पोजीशन मेंडेलीव के पीरियोडिक टेबल में स्पेसिफिक नहीं दे रहा है, दिखाए रहे थे। और कुछ और डिफेक्ट्स थे पीरियोडिक टेबल मेंडेलीव के। पोजीशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन का पोजीशन मेंडेलीव ने ठीक से नहीं बनाया था, तो आइसोटॉप ऑफ हाइड्रोजन परफॉर्म एनोमलस पेयर्स मींस ऐसे पेयर मेंडेलीव ने बनाए थे वो कॉम्बाइन नहीं हो रहे थे, मैच नहीं हो रहे थे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ के अनुसार। Later on, Henry Moseley came. He performed the experiment called as X-ray spectroscope. By using the means he performed Henry Moseley performed the experiment in which he used the frequency embodied in the atomic means in elements, which was atomic masses, by the using of formula. By using this formula, where A is equals to 4 into 4 he performed this experiment, and in which he told that the atomic elements should be placed according to atomic numbers, not by the according to atomic masses. In Mendeleev's table there were some gaps left, so Moseley also told what to do in that gaps, and by according to the elements are placed according to the atomic number, he gave the Moseley gave the periodic law, the physical and the chemical properties of the elements of periodic function by the atomic numbers. Modern periodic table was described. This is the modern periodic table. Vertical columns are called as periods and horizontal columns called as groups. This is the modern periodic table proposed by the Henry Moseley. This is the S block in which alkaline earth metals are placed. This is the D block where transition metals are placed. This is the P block where the halogens and noble gas family are placed. And this is the N block where the radioactive elements are placed. Features of the periodic table. Metals means these are the main pros of the periodic table, in which metals are present on the left side, non-metals are present on the right side, and metalloids are placed in a zigzag. We mostly arrange this thing in such a way that we can easily classify the elements and we can easily perform the periodic properties. There are some defects also of the periodic table. Mostly still didn't include the means there was a drawback that we in modern periodic table we can't mostly can't place the lanthanide series in the group in the specific table. Still there was a problem of positioning the hydrogen in the table. And configuration of helium 1s2 is different from the inert gases. Actually the inert gases configuration is like this, but helium configuration is this, which gives us satisfy the rubber-less configuration. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.